So this time I wanted to try Swiss Beauty because Swiss Beauty is a brand, is a drugstore brand, but I feel कि वो बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी है. They give a good competition to Maybelline or Sugar Cosmetics, but they are very underrated. So I was like, let me see by myself because I have heard reviews only. So I was like, this time my main focus was to test Swiss Beauty. So yeah, this is the eyeshadow that I got. It is metallic eyeshadow in the shade tea green, and this is how it looks. It is very pretty. Oh my god, look at the pigment, you guys. I just did once. Oh my god, the payoff is also very nice. It is very nice, and this was for rupees just under 200 bucks. This was it, and the shade is also very nice, and the shade name is 05 tea green. If I missed it, it is really nice. I liked it. I cannot wait to create looks with it. I hope you all can see. It is very nice. Again, the next thing is from Swiss Beauty. I got this Swiss Beauty ka kajal. It is 10 hours ka they have given guaranteed. So I wanted to try liner, but liner was out of stock. So I got my hands on this kajal. So I was like, kuch to ho jaye. It says 100% waterproof, no smudge, jet black and everything. So let's give it a try. This is how it looks. Okay, so they have this much of kajal. Okay, pretty nice. The quantity is nice. Let's see about the quality. Okay, so it is nice. It is not that black personally, but yeah, it is nice. I liked it. I was not expecting much. I'm not sure about the waterproof. I'll just test it in front of you guys. Yeah, it is smudging, so not sure about that one honestly. But yeah, I'll let you guys know if I'll use it. So yeah. So the next thing I got is also from Swiss Beauty. Is this their concealer palette, and this is in the I guess they have only this palette, so there's no numbering or anything. So yeah, I actually wanted to try Swiss Beauty concealer, that bottle wala concealer, but again it was out of stock. So I was like, let me try this one, so I can order that also if I like this one. And it comes with 8 different types of concealer, and I was like, wow, I was really happy. I hope you all can see the shades. They are pretty nice. It also comes with an orange corrector. So yeah, I खराब करने का मन ही नहीं कर रहा. So yeah. Oh, they are very creamy. Payoff नहीं है कुछ भी. Oh, my hand is dirty. Let me try this. Oh yeah. I'm sorry for the angles, but yeah, it has a really nice payoff, and oh my god, this gliding like a dream. बहुत ही जल्दी चला गया. मतलब एक swipe, I just tapped it for a second and it was done. So I'm really looking forward to use this palette, and maybe I'll do first impression of everything that I have bought for the first time, like Swiss Beauty, or yeah, Swiss Beauty is the thing that I bought first time. I even wanted to try their setting spray, but again it was out of stock. I don't know, but इतना Swiss Beauty का नाम मैंने सुना नहीं है, but the products are mostly out of stock, so देखना पड़ेगा. This is the second last box, and even I have not opened this box because ये अभी थोड़े टाइम पहले डिलीवर हुआ है. So the first thing in this box is this foundation. It is this Lakme 925 primer plus matte perfect cover foundation. Oh my god, look at the packaging. To be honest, I have never expected this pretty packaging from Lakme. Look at the rose gold detailing and this bottle. It looks so expensive, but it looks like it does not look like a drugstore brand. It looks really nice, and I think this is similar to my shade. I hope मैंने wrong नहीं order किया हो, because it will be a difficult task for me then. But अगर होगा भी तो I guess थोड़ा सा light होगा, that I will work with. So yeah, I got this foundation, and this was originally for rupees 475, but I got it for 299 only. I really wanted to try new foundation because the only foundation that I love is Wet n Wild or Maybelline's Fit Me foundation. These I have other foundation as well, but these two foundations are my go-to foundation. So I was like, let me give another try to some other foundations as well. So I was like, let me try this one. So yeah, and I'm in the shade Warm Neutral. So the next thing I got from Nykaa is these three pretty eyeshadow palettes. I mean, look how colorful they are. I do not own any colorful eyeshadow palette. These are my first colorful eyeshadow palettes, and the only reason I got them is because of the color. Let me talk about it one by one. The first one is this birthday cake, and look at the colors, you guys. Let me open it for you guys. Oh my god, look at the colors, you guys. I am going to cry, I feel. Look at the colors, they are so pretty. Let me take a nice dip into these colors. Oh my god, look at the pigment. Even the payoff is pretty nice. Even the payoff is really nice. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at the pigment, you guys, and look at the shades. They are so pretty. They are very pretty. And the next is Poison Apple. Look at it. It has more shimmers than the shades, but yeah, I do not mind. Look at the shimmers also, and look at the shade. This red color is calling me, I feel. Ooh, oh my god, I am already very excited to try. Oh my god, look at it. It is so pretty, you guys. It is very pretty, and look at the palette. It is so pretty. And all of these were only for 300, and originally they were for 600, I guess. 599. It was for 599 each, and I got for 300 each. And I do not mind paying 300 for this palette. The only reason is because the payoff and the shades are amazing. If you are someone like me who always goes for neutral and you do not have any colorful eyeshadows, I think you should totally invest in these. They are amazing. The last one is this Sugar Plum. Oh my god, look at all the plum, and look at the detailing. They have plum, and in birthday cake they have given cake, and Poison Apple mein they have given apple. It is amazing, the detailing they have given, and the shades. Oh my god, don't even get me started on the shades and the amazing pretty shades they have. I'm so happy for these, and the best, I guess सब में से best I found these three. Oh my god, look at the shade. मेरे हाथ सारे खराब है, तो I'm like कि किस में से try करूँ. Oh my god, I cannot wait to try these looks. They are amazing, and इसमें एक और आता है, the fourth variant also, but I got these three because fourth one was kind of neutral or kind of fall season का type लग रहा था. So I was like, let me try my hands on these first because they are very colorful. I can use them every time, not only in fall. So I was like, ki take it. And the next thing I got from Nykaa is this Maybelline's lipstick in the shade Hot Chili, and this is a red color. I do not own much of reds, so I was like कि एक होना चाहिए जो goes on every skin type, and that works fine for festive season and wedding season. So I was like, let me get my, oh, it is nice red. Yeah, it is very pretty. I guess it will go on my skin type and sorry, skin shade. I do not remember the price of this one. I'll mention it somewhere. And along with all the makeup, I got 2 free lipsticks from Nykaa. The only bad, or I guess I don't know, the only worst thing about this is that दोनों same shade में है. And I was like, दोनों same shade में मैं क्या करूँगी? But yeah, nevertheless, I got 2 free lipsticks from Nykaa. This is in the shade Divine Wine. So it is also a pretty shade. कहाँ करूँ? Oh, it is nice. I like it, but दोनों same shade में है. So I was wondering कि, but I'll see. I'll make use of it. I'll gift one to someone. So yeah, let's see. The last package of Nykaa, and it has a curler. So I really wanted, I already own a straightener, but मुझसे ना वो straightener से curls नहीं होता. I have seen thousands of videos on YouTube, on Instagram, but I do not understand कि how they twisted and वो इतना pretty curl आ जाता था. I was like, never mind, I'll just go and get a curler. So I got this curler from Vega. It is really nice curler because I searched on YouTube and researched about this. So all they have was nice reviews about this, and I am going to do a detailed video on this particular product because even I wanted to tell you guys that how I use it. And there are so many people like me who do not understand how to curl their hair with a straightener and are looking for curler. So I thought ki I can share my opinions with you guys, that how I find this particular product and how this is. So I'll talk in detail about this product in my next video. So yeah, so we are done, and this brings us to the end of this video. Oh my god, I hope this video was helpful to you by some or the other way. If you want to buy something, or if you are already searching for something that you wanted to buy from Nykaa, and I hope this helps you guys. If you want to buy something from Nykaa, I'll just mention all the links in my description box. For me, so I don't think I can mention my links because I went ahead and purchased from the store itself. And for my AirPods, I'm going to again mention the link in my description. And I hope you like this video, guys. It will mean the world to me if you will take a moment and subscribe to my channel. And if you have come this far, I hope you do subscribe and you have liked this video. So yeah, till then, please don't forget to hit a like button, comment, and share and subscribe. Bye guys, I love you so much.